Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a Python script which can be used to populate a word template. We know that there are predefined templates available in the market for different purpose. It could be income certificate, birth certificate, experience letter, or many more. Let's start with an experience certificate. Whenever an employee decides to join a new organization, the new employer asks for experience letter. The HR team of current company enter employee details manually in a predefined template to generate an experience letter. It's a simple job. If we have to provide experience letter to one, two, or five employees in a day, suppose we have to provide experience letter to 100 or 200 employees in a day, then it's very tedious job for anyone. In today's session, I'll focus on topic how can we generate an experience letter using Python script. We can generalize this idea to generate experience letter for all employees who are currently serving the notice period. So what's my next step? That I'll open the experience letter template and show you how it looks like. So this is our experience letters template, and I have already added tag there in the template, and wherever we have added tag we have to replace it with employee details. So if you'll see it here that I have added tag for date, I've added tag for employee name, I've added tag for employer name, then designation, then responsibility of employee, total experience of employee in the organization, joining date of employee, last date of employee in the current organization, system date, employer name. Next step, I'll let you know that how to add tag in Microsoft Word document. So what you have to do that you have to click on insert, then you have to click on quick parts, then field, then search for merge field, then provide a name to attribute field name. So I'm giving any random name here, but make sure that this name, whatever you are putting it here, it should be relevant name. Test data. So I followed the same process to add all these tags, either it's employee name, designation, a start date, or end date. So what I'll do, I'll close this file, and I'm not going to save it because I have already uh, populated relevant tags there in experience letter certificate. So let's close it. And I'll go back to a script. So if you see it here that I have imported all the libraries which we are going to use in the script. Mail merge library is being used to scan Microsoft document. So whatever contents are there in the Microsoft Word, we are going to scan it, and then we are going to assign value to different tags which are available there in the Microsoft Word. And we are using OS library to navigate to respective directory. This is the template name. You will see it here that we have experience letter template. So using get merge field, what we are trying to do, we are trying to find tag name, and using merge, what we are doing that corresponding to each tag we are assigning value, and then writing it back to a new document, and this document will become experience letter for a respective employee. So what I'll do, I'll execute each command one by one, and I'll go back to the respective directory and check whether file got generated or not, or experience letter got generated or not. So if you'll see it here, that experience letter got generated here. And we can see that corresponding to each tag, value got populated. So it's working perfectly fine. If you'll see it here, that corresponding to date, we have assigned 4th of July 2020. Same value is appearing it here. Let's go and search for name. So name I have put it here. Same name is being displayed here. Let's check for designation. So designation for this particular employee is senior consultant. So we can see it here, it's senior consultant. So whatever value we have assigned to each tag, it's working perfectly fine. So we are good. That's all from my end for today. Thanks for watching the video.